Let's take a look at rulemaking in administrative law. Rulemaking involves administrative issuance of statements and other guidelines that have general applicability. They set out to enforce standards that affect a category or classification of enterprises or activities. Rulemaking, especially if it occurs informally, is constrained by far fewer procedural restraints than is administrative adjudication, whether these restrictions arise from statutes or from judicial decisions. There are requirements that apply to rulemaking. Administrative entities are authorized to make three kinds of rules: substantive, procedural, and interpretive. Substantive rules apply to law or policy. For example, the Nuclear Regulatory Commission rules that set safety regulations for nuclear power plants, or FTC rules governing TV advertising directing at children. Procedural rules embody requirements for an agency's organization, procedures, or practices. They may be imposed by an Administrative Procedures Act, but may also be issued or perhaps supplemented by agencies. Interpretive rules are an agency's view of meanings of its regulations or statutes that it administers. Interpretive rules are analogous to an advisory opinion that might be issued by a regulatory or other entity. That is, they give some indication of how an administrator perceives or understands existing law. Occasionally, a dispute may arise over whether a particular rule is substantive, procedural, or interpretive. Such disputes are normally resolved by the courts, with both the government agency and the affected individuals bound by the results.